Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super useful, best top 5 water filter you need to check out right now. Whether you're looking for quality, performance, or value for money, I've got you covered. So stick around because you might just find your next favorite product. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. Brita Standard Water Filter. The Brita Standard Water Filter is a trusted and affordable solution for improving the quality and taste of tap water. This package includes 3 filters designed for use with Brita pitchers and dispensers, excluding the Stream series. With no pre-soaking required, installation is quick and simple, allowing users to enjoy clean, filtered water in minutes. One of its major advantages is its ability to reduce common tap water impurities such as chlorine, taste and odor, copper, cadmium, and mercury, which are known to affect water safety and flavor. Unlike some filters that leave behind black flecks or require complex setup, Brita ensures a clean finish and seamless user experience. Each filter provides up to 2 months of use or 40 gallons of water, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. By switching to Brita, users can replace up to 1,800 standard 16.9-ounce single-use plastic bottles annually, supporting a more sustainable lifestyle while also saving money. This is especially appealing for families and individuals looking to reduce their plastic footprint without compromising on water quality. While the Brita system doesn't offer advanced contaminant removal like reverse osmosis units, it is an excellent entry-level or supplementary filter that reliably improves water taste and safety. It's perfect for everyday use, from drinking and cooking to making coffee and tea. Brita Standard Water Filter is a user-friendly, eco-conscious choice for anyone looking to enjoy better-tasting water at home. Its straightforward design, effective filtration, and strong environmental impact make it one of the most popular and trusted options for basic water purification needs. Number 2. APEC Water Filter. The APEC Water Filter is a premium water purification system designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA to deliver superior water quality and safety. Known as one of America's top-rated water filter brands, APEC brings over 20 years of proven performance, ensuring users receive clean, refreshing, and crisp-tasting water that exceeds bottled water standards. This system uses advanced technology capable of removing up to 99% of impurities, including arsenic, chlorine, lead, fluoride, heavy metals, and more than 1,000 other contaminants. It handles feed water pressures between 40 and 85 psi and is effective with a maximum total dissolved solids (TDS) level of up to 2,000 ppm, making it suitable for treating both tap and well water. Certified by the Water Quality Association, WQA, the APEC system guarantees safe, trouble-free, and noise-free operation. Its long-lasting premium filters provide dependable purification without frequent replacements, giving peace of mind and convenience to homeowners. This system includes a 100% lead-free designer faucet and certified JG premium-grade tubing and parts, ensuring every drop of water is free from impurities and contaminants. Installation is straightforward, and the system's durable components are designed for longevity and consistent performance. It's ideal for families or individuals who prioritize water purity and want a system that can reliably treat a variety of water sources without complicated maintenance. The APEC Water Filter excels in delivering high-quality purified water suitable for drinking, cooking, and even pet consumption. It's particularly beneficial for households with water quality concerns, such as heavy metals or high chlorine levels, offering peace of mind about the water's safety. APEC Water Filter is a robust and reliable reverse osmosis system ideal for users who demand thorough filtration and lasting performance. Backed by decades of experience and certifications, it provides a clean, refreshing alternative to bottled water, making it a smart investment for a healthier lifestyle. Number 3. Bluevua Water Filter. The Bluevua RO-90 RO-90 UV water filter stands out as a sophisticated and convenient countertop reverse osmosis system that combines advanced filtration technology with user-friendly features. This filter offers a 6-stage purification process, including a 0.0001 micron RO membrane, UV light sterilization, and a remineralization filter. This comprehensive setup effectively removes contaminants such as total dissolved solids, TDS, PFOA, PFOS, chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, lead, and many others, ensuring you get clean and safe drinking water. Additionally, the remineralization stage enhances water by adding essential minerals, balancing taste, and promoting health benefits. Unlike traditional under-sink RO systems, the Bluevua filter is a plug-and-play countertop device, meaning it requires no plumbing or installation. Simply plug it in and you're ready to enjoy purified water stored in a premium borosilicate glass carafe instead of plastic, reducing the risk of secondary contamination and providing a more eco-friendly hydration solution. Energy efficiency is another highlight. The system automatically enters a power-saving standby mode when not in use, minimizing electricity consumption. Water conservation is thoughtfully designed as well, boasting an impressive 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio. The leftover water isn't wasted but can be repurposed for household chores, making this unit both economical and environmentally responsible. The Bluevua filter also features a filter life monitor, which displays the current condition of the filters and water quality. This helps users know precisely when replacements are due, ensuring consistent water purity without guesswork. Filters generally last between 12 to 24 months, offering 1 to 2 years of reliable use. With a sleek design and a 1-year limited warranty, this countertop RO system suits individuals and families who want premium water quality without the hassle of installation or bulky equipment. It's ideal for renters, travelers, or anyone seeking a high-quality, portable water filtration solution that supports sustainable hydration and reduces plastic bottle waste. The Bluevua water filter provides advanced filtration, ease of use, and eco-conscious features, a top-tier choice for those prioritizing clean, healthy, and great-tasting water at home. Number 4. Alkaline Water Filter. The Alkaline Water Filter is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their drinking water by not only filtering out impurities but also boosting its health benefits with added minerals. Designed for use with standard faucets, this filter features a cutting-edge multi-stage filtration process that effectively removes common contaminants such as colloid, sediment, chlorine, up to 99%, heavy metals, hydrogen sulfide, and fluoride. Third-party lab testing confirms its ability to deliver safe, fresh, and great-tasting water, making it a reliable option for everyday hydration. What sets this alkaline filter apart is its ability to increase the water's pH level by 1.5 to 2.5 units, transforming ordinary tap water into alkaline water with the taste and benefits similar to natural spring water. By adding essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, it supports better hydration and contributes to overall wellness. This makes it especially appealing for health-conscious individuals who want to balance their body's pH naturally through their daily water intake. Crafted with 304 food-grade stainless steel and a sleek brushed finish, the filter is not only durable, but also BPA-free and fingerprint-resistant, ensuring it stays looking clean and stylish in any kitchen setting. Its design is compact and easy to install with a simple twist-on mechanism that fits most standard faucets. The package also includes multiple adapters for broader compatibility, although it's important to note, it does not fit pull-out, handheld, spray style, or sensor faucets. In terms of performance, the filter provides a rapid water flow rate of up to 1.6 gallons per minute and lasts up to 12 months or 8,000 gallons before needing replacement, offering convenience and long service life. Its versatility makes it suitable for various uses beyond drinking, including cooking, skincare, and cleaning, supporting a healthier lifestyle in many ways. The alkaline water filter combines effective filtration, mineral enrichment, and stylish durability in a user-friendly package, making it a smart investment for those wanting cleaner, healthier, and more refreshing alkaline water straight from their tap. Number 5. Simpure Water Filter. The Simpure Y9A water filter is a high-performance reverse osmosis RO system that combines advanced purification with mineral enhancement to provide clean, great-tasting, and healthful drinking water. Designed with convenience and efficiency in mind, this system features a 6-stage filtration process that effectively removes 99.99% of over 1,000 harmful contaminants, including coliform bacteria, PFOA, PFOS, heavy metals like lead and arsenic, chlorine, fluoride, nitrates, and many other impurities commonly found in tap water. This thorough filtration ensures a safe and refreshing drinking experience for users concerned about water quality. Allergies. One key advantage of the Simpure Y9A is its post-mineralization filter, which adds essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium back into the purified water. This mineralization step not only improves the water's taste, but also promotes better hydration and supports bone and heart health, making the system ideal for health-conscious consumers. Simpure, the unit, features a 300 gallons per day GPD high-capacity filtration rate, significantly surpassing typical countertop RO systems that usually filter 50 to 100 GPD. This ensures a continuous and fast supply of clean water for homes, apartments, and offices. The compact, zero-installation design allows for easy setup and fits neatly under the sink or on countertops without requiring complicated plumbing, making it accessible for renters or anyone who wants quick access to purified water. Condominium article. Another user-friendly feature is the side-placed water tank, which simplifies water replacement compared to traditional rear-mounted tanks that can be difficult to access. This design element enhances convenience and ease of maintenance. Combustion Crecadeacom Simpure, based in Seattle, Washington, has been serving U.S. customers since 2006 with a strong commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The system comes with responsive support and a variety of replacement filter options to ensure long-term use. Groundwater eco-conscious users will appreciate that this system helps reduce plastic waste by providing a sustainable alternative to bottled water. With its powerful filtration, added mineral benefits, and user-friendly design, the Simpure Y9A water filter is a reliable and efficient choice for anyone seeking high-quality, healthy drinking water at home.